Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian. In this series, I'll be talking about WordPress themes. I'll be showing you guys how you can actually make a WordPress theme from scratch. So this is 2019 and WordPress is still in the game. It still holds one of the most major portions of the market share when it comes to website making. A lot of people are very comfortable making websites with WordPress themes, and with WordPress, you can basically do anything and everything. At first, it was just a platform where people could actually do blogging and some other stuff, but now it has multiple, I won't say multiple, it has immense options of things you can do. So every now and then, WordPress.org, we can see new themes, we can see different scenarios, we can see new opportunities that people are working. So you can also get a variety of WordPress themes in this website called Themeforest.net. You can actually submit your own website here and you can earn money. And basically, every single WordPress themes normally sells around 40 to 50 to 60 bucks. So you can get a pretty decent cut here if you make a good enough WordPress theme that can attract a lot of user. And suppose let me check any of the themes right now. So this is an LMS WordPress theme, and the price is $59. So it's already been sold 4,785 times, and if you multiply that by 59, you will get the revenue, I guess. So you get a pretty decent chunk of it. And this is only one marketplace. There are a couple other marketplaces as well. So I'll be showing you guys how you can make these themes, make these WordPress themes by yourself. So if you don't know how to code or don't know any PHP, you don't have to worry, because I'll be showing you everything step by step. So as long as you are following me and coding along with me, you are good to go. So this is basically an introduction video of this series. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.